What we have here, it's in fact a very first time that someone put together so many platforms, in this case 9 platforms, to show how a UAV LiDAR can be integrated into a drone, showing different, I would say, different way to work, going from a C2 class small drones up to a fixed wing 5-meter span that we have here on top of us, fixed wing drones, and everything in between, including a combustion engine, including hydrogen cell. And this shows that this industry has been developing in so many different technology directions, which is basically explain why we have to work with this company. Because this company are very strong in their segment, but they are not in the mapping as professional yet. And so what we are achieving with the YellowScan program is to bring them on a map. Basically adopting our technology, they are suddenly able to provide the best-in-class performance in terms of LiDAR acquisition and point cloud generation. This is our third and last day in Intergeo, and it was absolutely a success story. We have changed completely the conversation in this industry. People are talking about us not just because of our product, but also about this UAV program. We have been able to attract the attention of the media, and therefore we had decided for next year in Frankfurt at 2025 Intergeo to go all in and to double our space. So we are going to have a much larger booth, so we can host most probably more than 20 of this platform from the 9th of this year. So in fact today we are integrating more than 30 platforms around the world, and we are showing here only 9 of them because there was not enough room. So next year we are going to be much bigger, and we are able to, for sure, to provide even more, let's say, solution to this market.